We have made it to the last chapter of the book. Section 12.1, example 1 is what we're going to talk about first. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about triangles in this chapter. Okay. The first thing is we want to be able to classify triangles in two ways. The first way is by its sides, where we can call it scalene if it has no congruent sides, isosceles if it has at least two congruent sides, and equilateral if it has all three sides congruent. Now, we can also classify it by its angles. An acute triangle is a triangle with three angles that are less than 90 degrees, three angles that are acute. In a right triangle, you'll get two angles that are acute, but one of the angles will be 90 degrees, one right angle. Obtuse triangle will have one obtuse angle, while the other two angles are acute. And the last one is equiangular, which really is the same thing as equilateral. Not only are three sides the same, but so are the three angles all congruent. So when they ask you to classify a triangle by its sides and angles, this is what they're talking about. Give one name for its classification by sides and one name for its classification by angles. So in this part right here, classify the triangular shape of the support beams in the diagram by its sides and by measuring its angles. So I won't be able to measure the angles here. I don't have the ability to measure it on screen. We'll be doing that in class, however. But what you can tell is you can see the markings here that these two sides are both marked with one little notch on the line. And we know that that means those two sides are congruent. So because at least two of these sides are congruent, to classify it by its sides, we would say that this triangle is definitely isosceles. Okay? Now, by measuring its angles, even though I don't have a protractor with me here, I can tell that this angle, all three of these angles are definitely less than 90. So this would be an acute triangle because all of the angles are acute. They're all less than 90. And that is it for example number 1.